Now then people, welcome to Bosh TV. This is the Bosh kitchen and today is shoot day. We've got a load of stuff we're going to be cooking. First of all, Ian is prepping a Christmas dinner.
Right, 1 pan Christmas dinner, or 1 tray Christmas dinner. It's going to be dead tasty.
And everything is laid out here. So it's going to be a jackfruit Christmas dinner. Loads of jackfruit there, it'll taste like pulled pork. Some roasted root veggies here. Of course you've got to get some Brussels sprouts. What I'm going to be cooking today is this. You can see it says Veganuary Week 1. This is an online course that we're making which is all about eating the rainbow, being super healthy and trying to help people who are trying vegan to not just like eat beige food like pasta and chips. Eat a diet that's rich in magnesium, vitamin D, iron, folate, zinc, all that good stuff. So we've designed this course and now we're testing it. We've done the photos, the food lasted about 10 seconds. What do you reckon, Anna?
Delicious, delicious. What is it?
It's total chili. Full high protein tofu chili.
Very delicious.
Marked out of 10?
I mean, guys, is there an 11?
Yeah, that's what it is.
11 out of 10. Boom.
We've just prepped and readied for today's recipe video. Today's recipe video that we're going to be shooting is quite simple. 1 tray Christmas dinner. And now we're going to give our jackfruit a really nice stir to get all that marinade, all that flavour, all that seasoning all over the big chunks of jackfruit. The marinade we've made has been designed to try and recreate the flavour of turkey after it's been cooked properly.
What's going on here?
We are flipping all of the veggies because they're going into the final 15 to 20 minutes. We've got our pre-boiled Brussels sprouts that have been waiting in the wings for a while. And yeah, it should all just come together beautifully.
So it's a 1 tray roast dinner for 2.
Yeah, that's the vibe.
Let's see that full. This is our roasted squash, roots, lentils, and pomegranate salad. It's going to give you 2 tasty lunches, so you can like snack on stuff during the day. The lentils are going to give you protein. It's healthy, it's colourful, it's eating the rainbow. And most importantly, it's using seasonal veggies. So we've got the squash in there, we've got the parsnip, we've got some beetroot, and we're using those same veggies over here in our korma.